Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. So today we would like to discuss some assignment questions in 6th class children. So the first question is all about first one. Check whether the numbers 972135 and one more number 800664 are divisible by 2 or not. So first of all, for instance, we write what is the divisibility rule for two children. So the divisibility rule for 2 is all about the last digit. The last digit should be even number of a given number children. See, when you take this example, like this number only children, that is 9,72,135. Now the last digit over here you can see is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. 5 is an odd number. So it is not an even number, right? So we can say that 9,72,135 is not divisible by 2. Yes? In the meanwhile, one more question. That is 800664. The last digit is 4. That is even number. Yes or no, children? It is even number. So therefore 800664 is divisible by 2. Why? Because the last digit over here you can see is an even number. The only thing you need to remember here is children, if the last digit of a given number is an even number, then it is divisible by 2 children, or else if it is not divisible by 2. Yes, the digit over here, the complete number, the last digit is 5, so it is not divisible. Whereas here, this number, the last digit is even number, so it is divisible by 2. I hope it is clear, children. Now coming to the second question. The second question is all about which of the following numbers are divisible by both 5 and 10. So the numbers are 25, 250, 10,205 and 45,808. So divisibility rule for 5 is, first of all we would like to discuss about divisibility rule for 5 and 10 children. Divisibility rule for 5 is last digit of a given number, last digit should be either 0 or 5. The last digit of a given number should be either 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. See, 25, 250, 10,205 and 45,880. All these digits, all these numbers ends with a digit so called either 0 or 5. That means all the numbers of a given series of numbers, bunch of numbers, all these numbers are divisible by 5. Now whereas the divisibility rule for 10 children, it is last digit of a given number should be 0. Last digit should be only 0 children. That is 25 is not divisible by 10, only 250 and 45,880. 250 comma 45,880. Only these two numbers are divisible by 10, or else rest all the 25 and 10,205 is not divisible by 10 children. Why? Because the last digit of a given number is 5. Okay. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now coming to the third question, children. Third question. Sanjana says they have given a number, children, 988 974 is divisible by 3 and 9. Do you agree with the Sanjana statement? This is the question they are asking, children. So divisibility rule for 3 is nothing but sum of all the digits of a given number. all the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then we can say that it is divisible by 3 children. That is, when you take this example, that is 9,974, that is 9,88,974. When you take this, consider this number, add all these digits children, that is 9 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 4. When you add all these digits over here, the resultant answer will be 45. Yes. Now this 45 is divisible by 3 or not? Let us check. In 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 5s are 15. So 15, yes, it is divisible by 3. Therefore 9,88,974 is divisible by 3. Similarly, divisibility rule for 9 is the same statement children. Sum of all the digits. Sum of all the digits, okay, of a given number. So, when you take the example so called 9,88,974, when you add, the resultant answer will be 45. Yes or no? We got here 45, right? So, if it is divisible by 9, in 9 table 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So, yes, it is divisible by 9. Therefore, 9,88,974 is divisible by what children? Divisible by 9. So whatever the Sanjana, what the Sanjana said the statement so called 9,88,974 is divisible by 3 and 9 itself. Yes, it is divisible by both 3 and 9. Yes, I hope it is clear children. Now coming to the fourth one. Fourth one, check whether 79,875, check whether 79,875 is divisible by 6 or not. Is 6 or not? So, first of all, we will try to discuss what is the divisibility rule for 6 children. So, in order to satisfy the condition so called divisibility rule for 6, it should satisfy both the divisibility for rule 2 and as well as 3 children. It should satisfy both the 2 and 3. Either one, if it satisfies, it is not divisible by 6 children. It should satisfy both the conditions, that is divisibility rule for 2 as well as divisibility rule for 3. Now, when you consider this number, that is 79,875, the last digit is odd number children. You can see an odd number over here, right? So, the given number, that is 79,875 is not divisible by 2. Whereas when you when you take the divisibility rule for 3 children, sum of all the digits, that is 7 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. When you add all the digits, the resultant answer will be 36 children, and in 3 table 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 36, and yes, it is divisible by, therefore 79,875 is divisible by 3. See here children, when you observe over here, the number what they have given, 79,875 is not divisible by 2, whereas it is divisible by 3 children. What is the definition I have said to you? It should satisfy both the conditions so called 2 and 3, then only it satisfies. It is divisible by 6, or else it is not divisible. So now it is divisible by only 3, it is not divisible by 2. So that means that we can say that the number so called 79,875 is not divisible by number so called 6 children. It is not divisible by 6. Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone children. Now coming to the last question for the session, that is fifth one. Write down the divisibility rule for 3 and 6. So divisibility rule for these, the sum of all the digits, the sum of all the digits of a given number, the sum of all the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3 children. I repeat, If the sum of all the digits of a given number is divisible by 3, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 3, or else it is not divisible by 3 children. Now meanwhile, coming to the divisibility rule for 6, yes, 6 only, yes. So, divisibility rule for 6 is, it should satisfy both the conditions so called both 2 and 3. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. In the previous question also we have come across this divisibility rule children, divisibility rule for 6. The only thing is it should satisfy both the conditions so called divisibility rule for 2 and as well as divisibility rule for 3. Unless and until if it satisfies both the condition, then only we can say that it is divisible by 6, or else it is not divisible by 6 children. Yes, I hope it is clear to everyone children. So by this question we will wind up the session children, and in the tomorrow's class we will come up with a few more questions. I hope it is clear to everyone. Thank you one and all.